Today I am going to introduce my idea. My idea is a digital voice assistant for helping digitally illiterate people to access digital devices like computers. And this is the interface of my digital assistant Shruti, and it will help the old and elderly and other disabled people to access computer and also promote inclusion. Take screenshot, open Google, open Notepad, Narendra Modi, MS Dhoni, open YouTube, news, what is cricket,